Welcome back, everyone. This is Victoria from the channel Russian with Victoria. And today we start cases. But before learning cases, I want to tell you some common information about cases. So, nouns, pronouns, possessive pronouns, adjectives, and other part of speech which is connected with nouns, we change with cases. For now, let's just talk about common moments for each case. These common moments are just common, not always used moments, but common moments. We have exceptions and different rules. So, just common moments about every case. So, there are 6 cases in Russian language: nominative, genitive, dative, accusative, instrumental, and prepositional. So, the nominative case. The nominative case, the questions кто, что. Genitive кого, чего. Dative кому, чему. Accusative кого, что. Instrumental кем, чем. Prepositional о ком, о чем. Very important note. So it's not only these questions that we use for these cases. For example, prepositional case has also question где, for example, to denote the place, and accusative has question куда, it's for denoting destination. So we will talk about other possible questions and situations later. Now let's focus on the common meanings, common functions, purpose of the cases in Russian language. The nominative case denotes the subject of action. So usually, we use subjects of action in the nominative case. For example, я читаю книгу. I read the book. So, я, which is I, it's a subject of action, and we use this pronoun in the nominative case. The genitive case denotes possession. For example, это машина брата. So, it's my brother's car, brother's possession. So, brata, it's this noun in the genitive, in the form of genitive case. Because brat, it's nominative, so brata, you can see ending a. This ending, it's about genitive. The dative case is denote a person for whom the action is performed. For example, я дала ему ручку. I gave him a pen. Я, so it's subject of action, it's nominative. Дала, it's verb. Ему, to whom, to him, to whom action is performed. Он, ему, pronoun он, from the nominative to dative, ему. Okay? The accusative case denotes the object to which the action passes. For example, я читаю книгу. I read the book. So, книгу, it's accusative. So, it's object of action. Object of action, it's accusative case. Я, nominative, subject of action. Читаю, it's an action, it's a verb, not noun. Книгу, книга, книгу. So, книгу with changed ending from a to u because of accusative case. The instrumental case denotes the instrument of action. And here I want to tell you that usually it's not like this. It's common meaning of the cases again, but we have a lot of situations where we use instrumental case not like the instrument of action in another situations, but as well like the instrument of action. For example, я ем торт ложкой. I eat this cake with a spoon. So using spoon or with spoon, yeah, so using something. Ложкой. Ем торт ложкой. Я, nominative, ем, it's action, it's a verb. Торт, accusative, object of action. Ложкой, the instrument of action. And the last case, prepositional case. This case called like this because we use this case always with prepositions, after prepositions. There are a lot of examples. For example, он живет в городе. В городе, it's prepositional case. And город, городе, so before we have в, like in the city, yeah. And a lot of other situations and examples which I will tell you lately when we will focus on every single case. Okay, after this video we will start learning all these cases with situations, examples, and etc. etc. And the last note that I want you to say that not all nouns we change with cases. There are also undeclinable nouns in Russian language, and these nouns, these words, usually it's foreign origin words. For example, metro, cafe, coffee, menu, taxi, okay? So these words we don't change with cases. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you, that you find new information for yourself. And next lesson, we will talk about nominative case and other all these 6 cases in Russian language. Write down comments and have a good day. Пока-пока.